Good morning, students. This session I'm going to discuss about metallurgy. Metallurgy means the study of metal and also the extraction of metal from their ore. Ore is obtained from earth. So many metallurgical processes are carried out in industries like this. So many metallurgical process is carried out in industries. What is metallurgy? Extraction of metal from their ore and then follows refining. Refining means purification. The ore is obtained from earth, then it undergoes metallurgical process to form metal, that is impure metal. Then impure metal is converted into pure metal by using refining process. Refining means purification process. What is metallurgy? The extraction of metals from their ores as well as refining of metal, that is purification of metal, or collectively known as metallurgy. What is the difference between ore and mineral? Ore is obtained from earth, mineral is also obtained from earth. Ore contain metal, mineral is also contain metal. What is the difference? Ore contain metal, that means what? High percentage of metal it contains. Mineral, low percentage of metal it contains. So what is the difference between the ore and mineral? Ore is a substance from which metal can be extracted. Metal is extracted from ore, that means what? Profitably extracted. In mineral is a substance from which metal can be extracted. Metal is extracted from mineral also, but it is what? Economical problem. They will make economical problem because it contains, mineral contains low percentage of metal. Ore contain high percentage of metal. All the ores are minerals. All the minerals are not ores. Example for ore, aluminium ore. Which is aluminium ore? Bauxite is the aluminium ore. Aluminium mineral, clay is the aluminium mineral. How to say that? The clay contains only low percentage of aluminium. Aluminium ore contains high percentage of aluminium, bauxite. That is, bauxite contains high percentage of aluminium. So aluminium is extracted profitably. Here aluminium is not extracted profitably from the clay particle. That is the difference between the ore and mineral. What does mean by gangue? Gangue means impurity. We know that metal is extracted from ore. The impure metal is obtained from ore. Then in the impure metal undergo the process, refining process, that is purification process. Ore contains non-metallic impurities, rocky materials and siliceous matter. These particles are said to be gangue. What is gangue? Non-metallic impurities, rocky material, siliceous matter is associated with the ore. So these particles are said to be gangue. What is gangue? The ore associated with non-metallic impurities, rocky materials, rocky means stone, and siliceous matter, that is sand particles, are known as gangue. For example, silica in iron ore. Silica is the gang. Metal is extracted from the ore. So many processes are involved in this. What are the various steps involved in the extraction of pure metal from their ore? The ore is obtained from earth, then this ore is converted into pure metal by undergoing the following the process. The first process, concentration of ore. Concentration of ore, it is a preliminary process. The ore is obtained from earth crust and then remove the sum of the impurities. Then second one, extraction of crude metal. So this concentrated ore is converted into impure metal, that is crude metal, by using the sum of the process, by using the suitable process. Then third one, the impure metal is converted into pure metal by using the refining, purification process, refining of crude metal. What happened in this? Impure metal is converted into pure metal. Metals and their common ores. Metal can be extracted from ore. For example, zinc is a metal. It is extracted from ore, such as zinc blende, galamine, zincite. These are the ores of the zinc. The formula for the zinc blende, that is ZnS. The formula for galamine is ZnCO3. The formula for zincite is ZnO. So the metal can be extracted from ore. This table is very important to ask one more question.